Hey guys, back with another one. Going fishing today. Okay, yeah, we're going fishing. There's Carlos. His name is Carlos. Hey! Hey! Okay, we'll go fishing. Guys, I'm so lucky, daggone it. Okay, let me describe what just happened. Okay, one of my rods just came off, and I thought it was broken in half. That was the one that was $74 at Bass Pro Shop. My daddy would have beat my butt. Oh, hey, I stepped on it one time, and daggone, that thing didn't break. I was like, well, that's a tough one right there. Second time right there. All right, let's get to the pond. Don't even crack. Look at this. Big stuff here. Hate to mess it up, too. Well, I ain't gonna mess it up. We're gonna spray it anyway. Going on the boat if I can get in the water. Throw the chatterbait first. See if we catch anything. First cast, nothing. What? Dang. There we go, I got it. Whew. That was almost a disaster. Bass, love it over here. I don't want the boat. Oh! I need my kayak, really. That's the crap. There's a spot in the tree. But I got it out, folks. Got it out. Catch you back on when I get a bite or something. Back in the boat and ready to go fishing, people. This is no joke right here. I mean, this is horrible. Any water coming in? Drips of water are coming in, but it'll be okay. We'll go over here. Alright. Drift along. I mean, they should be on. Chatterbait. Lovely. Woo! Girl, I don't need to. get you back on when we catch a fish. When I catch a fish, we'll have a break. Hey guys, back. And I got a little bitty bass here. I caught him on the $74 crappie wheel. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all on here because they're biting it at the very bottom. They are killing it too. Whew, throw this little guy back. About 5 ounces. It's okay. Better than nothing. First fish on the YouTube channel. How you like that, people? See if we can catch another one. Oh, snap. Come on, fish. I ain't letting it sink like it was. This fish was on the very bottom too. That'd be fun. Got my wood, oh fishy, fishy, fishies. You know you want to bite. You know you want to bite. Yeah. Would have been that little bass the whole time, just nibble on it. You never know, people. Let me catch a crappie. Come on. I'll see if I can throw it straight in the nest. Probably won't get home. And that's just it. There. You did it. Can't be that same little fish the whole time. Can't be. Well, I'm gonna have to throw a trick worm. No, a fluke. A fluke. A fluke. A fluke. Oh no. God. Whoopsie. I wish that floated. It doesn't. I just broke the end off of the paddle being really bad. That sucks. Thank the Lord I got the other end. I mean, good Lord. Just, good Lord, man. If y'all don't know him, y'all ought to know him. Because he's a good one. I can tell y'all. Come on, Pips. I want this crayfish. Had one in the drop shot. Put one on the drop shot, but we can see if we can catch one. I still got the hook through there. at this lens. Yeah, the bait caster can barely throw it. You know? Yeah, I don't think this is gonna work. You just on the Texas rig. What the heck? Touchy, 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 touchy.